For this, I know you have tried water leaf and pumpkin leaf, that's edikaiko soup. I know you have tried water leaf and okazi leaf, that's afan soup. I know you have tried water leaf and bitter leaf. But foodies, have you tried this water leaf and uziza leaf? This is so delicious, guys. You are going to make this soup every day, I bet you. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please consider subscribing, okay? And don't forget to like this video, leave your comment, and share the video. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you, guys, for always stopping by to support your girl. So, guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video. And to make this soup, here are my ingredients for this recipe. I have here my pepper, I have the yellow pepper, red pepper, and onions. Let me know if you add onions to your soup, okay? Yes, I'm going to be grating it together. And here is my crayfish. So here is my beef. I've already washed the beef. Here I have smoked fish. Feel free to use any protein of your choice, okay? And this is my already washed and cut water leaf. And here is the star of our ingredients, uziza leaf. I have washed and sliced this leaf. So now we are going to start to cook our meat. And in a pot, I'm going to be adding in my beef. I will add in my pepper mix now. That's the pepper and the onions I grated together. Guys, feel free to add in the quantity of pepper that you can tolerate, okay? Like this pepper itself is not even hot. So I know most of you be screaming, this pepper is too much. No, this pepper is not too much. It's not even hot at all. So now I will add in my seasoning cube. I'll add in water now, enough to cook this beef because this is like vegetable soup. We don't need plenty of water in this soup, okay? Just going with water that will be enough to cook your beef, okay? I'm just going to stir this now. I will cover the pot and allow this to cook. Guys, our meat is cooked now. As you can see, we just have little water remaining in the pot. You don't need plenty of liquid in this soup, okay? Because your water leaf will still produce water. Water leaf contains a lot of water, so you don't need plenty of liquid in this soup, okay? So now I will go in now with my smoked fish. I will add in my crayfish. I will add in salt to balance the seasoning cube I added earlier because I've not added in salt before. I'm going to mix this very well now to combine. And then I will go in with my palm oil. Be generous with your palm oil, okay? Be generous with your palm oil. I'm going to cover this and allow this to cook for a few more minutes. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe, okay? And if you have not liked this video, please like the video, okay? Don't forget to share this video. Help me to share my video, okay? So guys, you can see how yummy our soup is already looking like this soup is already looking so yummy. So now I'm just going to mix up everything together, and then I will go in with my uziza leaf. I'm going to mix this very well now before adding in my water leaf. I will add in my water leaf now. Then I'm going to cover the pot, allow this to cook for just 3 minutes, okay? And 3 minutes later, this is what we have. I'm going to mix this very well now to mix everything together. Look how delicious this soup is looking like. Guys, I bet you this soup was so delicious. You're going to love it. You're going to get addicted making this soup. I'm telling you, this tastes just like or even better than afan soup. Try it, okay? Try it and let me know in the comment section. Let me know if you be trying out this recipe. So I'm just going to mix everything now to mix everything very well. And guys, our delicious and yummy uziza and waterleaf soup is ready. Look how yummy this soup is looking like. I'll be enjoying this soup with my fufu. Let me know the swallow you'll be enjoying this soup with. I hope you are going to be trying out this recipe, guys. Let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share the video, okay? Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart.